Welcome to each one of you. What is circle time? What can be covered under circle time? Writing alphabet backwards, writing numbers backwards, saying numbers backwards, saying alphabet backwards, recalling the name of each one in the group, and then with the last word of each one's name, reciting a song which starts with the ending letter. You can also have games in between where you know your partner's name ends with Abhiram. Start the song with the letter M, Ma, and sing a song. Try to find a song which starts with the letter Ma. If it ends with A, the letter A, and so on and so forth. Try it with all the members in the group so that with their letter, starting letter and ending letter, you will find songs, you will have a recreation at the same time, you will enjoy the session of circle time. You can also put the combination of the first letter of the people in the group and the last letter and see what word you get, and from that word create new words, 4-letter words, 5-letter words, 6-letter words. If all that is exhausted, what do you do next? Start with the letter D. Try to find 150 words starting with the letter D. But don't repeat words like do, does, does not. If you've written the word do, let it be. Don't add anything more to it, or don't create a duplication of that starting with do. And then you also find 150 words. It could be names of places, names of people, names of malls, names of anything where cities of countries, capitals, and so on and so forth. So you're brushing up whichever country you belong to. You can put in the city, you can put in the capital, you can put in the country. That way you also get to improve your general knowledge, you enjoy the activity, and you learn a lot more. What next? After that, you put all that you've done in a folder and say you've done this today. This is your recalling session where you recall what you have done, what circle time activity you've done. Have you got the names of people in the group? Have you listed out what you have done? What you're going to do next? How is it going to be? Have you spotted the best singer? Have you spotted the one who's able to tell numbers backwards quickly? Then do an activity with that. Learn the mathematical formulas. Plus, minus, minus. Plus, minus equals to minus. And so on and so on. And in that way, plus and plus gives you a plus, and plus and a minus gives you a plus. So you will also learn how to work on flashcards. Why flashcards? Take different sketch pens and list out the formulas that you need to learn. It could be chemistry, it could be physics, it could be maths, algebra. Now with all this, you are learning by enjoying the activity, showing interest, and you're motivated to learn more. That itself can improve your circle time, your compatibility, your relationship, and your teamwork. Isn't this fun? Try it out for 15 days, maybe on weekends, maybe when you find your time together as a family activity, team activity, peer group activity, and you will see the difference. And more than that, let us recall what is circle time. One is to do activities together in a group where you sit in a form of a circle and then you recall the name of all the people in the group in the circle. Each one has to list out their names. Then you will also try listing out not only their name, how many brothers and sisters, their siblings they have. Then you can also list out the songs that you could find or gather around when you sang songs with the last ending with the last alphabet of the names. Then you can also list out how you can improve or learn words with the last letter of the alphabet. Create new words and repeat words. Suppose the eagle, last word is E. So start another new word starting with the letter E, and so on and so forth. Get as many words as you can and improve your word building capacity. And yes, this is circle time, which is supposed to be a teamwork full of fun where you enjoy what you do. Try it out and see what circle time can bring into your productivity. Hope you enjoyed this, and in the next session we will talk about how circle time can improve your singing skills, vocabulary building skills, and storytelling skills too. Thank you.